How to create animated videos using Canva for free. Hey there! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create stunning animated videos for free using Canva. I'll walk you through every step, so just sit back, watch, and follow along. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create amazing animations like this. Step 1. Setting up your project. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Canva and sign up if you haven't already. Once you're in, click on the video section. Choose landscape video to start your project. Now let's bring our scene to life. Step 2. Creating a background scene. A great animation starts with a good background. Here's how to add one. Go to Elements and search for Street. Switch to the Graphics tab. Pick a background that fits your style and stretch it to cover the entire screen. Pro tip: you can add multiple backgrounds to create different scenes and extend the duration to fit your animation needs. Step 3. Adding animated characters. Now let's make our scene dynamic with animated characters. Go to Elements and search for Walking. Click on the Graphics tab and filter by Animated. Choose a walking character and resize it to fit your scene. But wait, the character is just standing there? No problem, let's animate it. Step 4. Creating movement. To make your character walk across the screen, select the character, then click Animate, Create Animation. Drag the character's path across the screen. Adjust the speed, make them walk, jog, or even run. Step 5. Adding more motion and objects. Want more action? Let's add a cyclist. Search for Riding a Bike in Elements. Pick an animated option and place it on the street. Use the Animate tool again to move it across the scene. You can also mix things up by adding people walking in different directions, making your animation feel realistic and lively. Step 6. Adding sound and transitions. Sound brings your animation to life. Go to Elements, Audio, and search for city ambience or street sounds to create a realistic background. To make smooth scene changes, use transitions. Click between scenes and select Match and Move for a seamless effect. Step 7. Exporting your video. Once your animation is ready, click Share, Download. Choose MP4 format for the best quality. Hit Download and boom, your animation is ready to share. Want more tutorials like this? Let me know in the comments if you'd like a talking animated video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tutorials. Turn on post notifications so you never miss a new video. Drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Happy animating, and see you in the next video. Bye for now. Movie magic.